Hey everyone, Steve F here. So what do you think? Another quick Jewish joke? Okay, so 82-year-old Morris Feinberg goes in for his annual physical. He's a widower, but he's in pretty good shape, a little hard of hearing, but not bad. So he goes in for his physical, gets mostly high marks, not bad for an 82-year-old. A couple weeks later, he's walking down Main Street. He's got this gorgeous young 30-year-old blonde hanging off his arm. And he happens to run into his doctor. And the doctor says, "Geez, Morris, I see that you're doing pretty well these days, huh?" He said, "Well, Doc," I said, "I'm just following your orders. When we were at the exam, you said, get a hot mama and be cheerful." The doctor goes, "Morris," I said, "you've got a heart murmur. Be careful." So there you go. It's today's corny Jewish joke. Hope it brought a smile to your face. Okay, so we're getting there. We're doing well. Everyone keep a good thought and have a good outlook on things. Look at the positive side. Keep smiling and see you soon. Bye.